Hello guys, Cesar back. Today we're back with a brand new Nerf gun and it's called the Nerf Flip-32. The Elite 2.0 Flip Shots. So now, let's get started. Now, I'm gonna go look for the scissors.
No, the scissors is right here.
Oh.
So talk about the price. So actually guys, we got this at Toys R Us in the Philippines. And this was originally priced at $5,000 and $499, and now it was on sale for $2,500.
And guys, I bought this with my own money, my savings for 1 year and 5 months. And now I have 150 pesos left. So let's start with the unboxing now.
Okay.
All right.
Hold on. Let's position it here.
All right. Mom, speed this part up. All right.
No need. It's
just joking.
I'll just help you.
So my mom will be helping me to unbox this thing, and also as I watch some reviews about this gun, it needs to be assembled.
Yeah. The reason why I'm helping third is we want to practice safety, right? And for scissors, since it's sharp object, you need at least an adult to handle.
Mom, I'm already 9 years old. So
I know you're 9, but still, it's good too.
In my school.
Okay, now.
Alright, what do we do?
Now you go and...
So, this is what you're gonna have to assemble here. This is the flipping part, the one that flips. So we're gonna put it right over here. Now we're gonna get the gun, which is right over here, I think. This is the gun, which is quite big. I'm gonna put it right over here. I think there's more.
Try to, Are those the bullet or another?
I think it's the other, this is the other one. I don't think it has the bullets yet.
Okay, let's open it.
Mom? Oh, there's bullets in, oh yeah, this is the one. Alright, so we open this part. Now we got the other flip.
The other side of the flip, right?
Let's hope there are bullets in here. Oh yes, there's the bullet stuck over the other side.
Okay.
Now we're just gonna cut off this side. I'll need real much help here.
Can you hold the box?
Huh?
Can you hold the box?
Oh sure, I'll hold the box, right?
Okay.
Is it done?
Yeah.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
Now, this is the ammo. Or the bullets. Oh yes, this is definitely the bullets.
Yeah.
Just open it up, Mom. To make sure if that's actually the bullets.
Oh, just open it on this side.
Oh, the side.
There.
This is the manual and along with the bullets. Let's put it up here.
So here's the manual along with the bullets inside the
Guys, look, I found the bullets! 30 bullets.
So this is for 8+ years old. So I think that okay.
I'm pretty sure it's the other one.
So it says here third that it flip, handle release. Oh, sorry. Those are just a simple instruction where you can.
I'm not really sure how to assemble this part.
Okay, so we have to follow the instruction, right?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Let's put this there. So here's the manual
So what
for
does
you
it
to get
say?
started, okay? So first,
I pretty much need help.
so here, this is the trigger, right? The green one. And then give me
Here you go. Here you go, Mom.
So here.
Here you go.
And then number 2. Okay. So I think we have to put it here.
No, that's not the right one. That's not the right one.
Is it?
That's not the right one. Yeah, wait. I'm gonna look. Yeah, this is the correct one.
Okay. Now, just be careful. Okay. So you just have to attach on both ends. You just have to make sure that it's fully intact. Okay, so that's how it looks like now. And then the next step is to to load
Load.
the bullets. So you have to load the bullets. Let's make it. Okay. You can see yourself, right? So, okay, now let's load the bullet.
Alright.
Load the bullet.
You loaded.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay. So there's total of 16 bullets.
You were the one who
16 on each side. That's why okay, so it's 16 on each side, right?
Yep.
That's why it's called Flip-32.
So every time this side runs out of ammo, we'll use the other side for ammo, you know?
Yeah.
As you can see, this gun is very, 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 very big. And yeah, it's actually good having. You know? Only the Nerf gun like this.
Help me.
Alright.
Me
You do this side, I'll do the other side, right? No, just put it all here. Still be here. Oh, oh,
Careful.
my God, I almost lost the dart. Oh, no. For the rest, I'll keep it. No, Mom, I'm doing this side.
It's okay.
Now we're gonna do it for the
The
other
front side.
front.
It's quite heavy, right?
Yeah, it is. 'Cause these big is strong and is good. This is a heavy Nerf weapon.
It's a good one, right?
Are these all of the Nerf bullets now? Ah.
Okay. So now we completed loading the bullets. Hold on. We're gonna show them how you're going to operate it, so they will have an idea how to operate it, right?
Sure.
So let's just put aside everything. Oops, forgot to lock. Oops. Okay.
I've already reloaded. Now I just have to shoot.
All right. Now,
To reload it, you gotta pull this.
can you show it here? Like sit down and do a demonstration here. We want to also show them like how it automatically flips, right?
Ah, I'll show you.
Not there, not on my decorations. No, it's gonna do it.
On its own?
Yep.
No.
Yeah, it will. It will. Are there 2 bullets?
No. Now I just have to flip this.
Come
part.
on, no.
I'm not sure on how I manually flip this part.
No, check. Try
Where's the
to
manual
shoot
again?
it. Shoot it.
Hold this.
No, try to shoot it because I think it's automatic.
No, it's not automatic. I think you have to pull this part, but we're gonna have to look at the manual.
Oh, is there a lock? Is this a lock?
No, don't touch it. Just mommy, can you help me check on the manual, please?
Okay, we're still figuring out.
No, check on the manual.
Well, the manual is here. Okay, so you have to
yeah, press this button.
press this and then pull it inside.
As hard as you can?
Pull it, huh?
Like, very hard?
Yeah, so you have to click on this thing here and then just use it. I asked it, like, so you just, no. Because it's already flipped, you see? It's already flipped. You just have to click on this button here and then just pull it and then it'll flip. Come on.
One free one. Now since these are done.
Okay, so let's show them. Alright,
Now.
so let's show
Now
them.
what about the bullets?
This is how you flip it. Okay, so you just have to press this like this and then pull it. There. Did you see that? Yeah. Okay, then just return it. Let's reload one more time.
Refill the ammo, please.
So, help me.
Sure.
So we can... I will try it and show them exactly how it's done, okay?
Do you know how to reload it?
Yo. I did it
Push
again.
more.
Yeah.
Mom, can you just space for me? You flip it.
Later. After
Can
it's
you
done.
flip it?
No, you can't flip it. Because it's still loaded. You can only... here pala. Then you pull it in. There. Okay. Now, shoot it and then tell me how... What do you think about the gun, okay?
One fell in your vase, Mom.
It's okay. Oh, you just take it later, okay? Now flip it. Come here, come here.
Now.
Oh, still have. Okay, now show them. Come closer.
Let's flip it.
Like that. Good job.
Now, but first, let me get the other bullets for the other. Well, guys, that's all for today. And please like and subscribe to our channel. And guys, bye and thank you for watching.